somewhere else. I just need whatever that white truck right here. I just need to see who got out of the driver's seat.
I know my rights, bro. He said, well, do him somewhere.
They have cameras. I'm about to pull it up, and then I'm going to come find you, I promise. He parked right in front of the camera, so I'm going to see him get out of it, and then I'm going to get his ID, because I know what happened. There's camera in the stores what they were trying to do with his credit card. That's why this is such a big deal. I know. She's like, there's no marijuana in here. There's also a marijuana shake all over the thing right there. I guess she thought she was already that's not going to happen. Here's all the rolling paper. Here's a rolling tray. But there's no marijuana in the vehicle. That makes a whole lot of sense to me. It's all right here.
She's stupid.
Here's more.
Oh my God, possession of sales.
Hold up, please. Somebody, they're buying all this from a dispensary. Hey, Lee, see if you can find an ID in there, because all this weed's coming from a dispensary.
Oh, never mind. Never mind. They know that they buying. I was finna say they about to hit it with possession of sales, but you buying
so
it.
They
got an ID in the card. They got an ID in the card, bro. You cannot buy no weed from a dispensary without an ID, bro. But these niggas so stupid. They not knowing that we can get them same packs. They looking through them packs and they know them packs come from the dispensary. They not knowing niggas on the street can order them off Amazon. The homie make them. They probably don't even find no ID in that motherfucker. Them packs came from the street. They think it came from the dispensary.
And he's playing the I wasn't in the vehicle card, so it doesn't matter. She says she doesn't have one, but she's also not providing any identification. So hold off on it. Let's find her ID first.
Either you're going to go or you're going to stay, but you need to make up your mind.
He's trespassing. Yeah, you've been trespassing me, so if you come back on the road, you're going to jail.
My nigga wants his
Thank you.
weed.
There's a reason he left, but everything in this vehicle is packaged in like brand new stuff. Like they have acquired all of this stuff somehow. See, he's so mad that we're searching his vehicle. There's something going on that he doesn't want to tell us. No, I found hers, but what I'm trying to verify that she does not have a medical card because everything is coming from a dispensary.
Yeah.
So he's laid claims to not being in this vehicle is what he told me. I said, where you drive this vehicle? He said, you can't prove I was in that vehicle. I know my rights. I said, okay, fair game. So
That police
that's
officer
that.
stupid.
He is not a
really
resident.
think
He's
it
not
came from the
part of this vehicle. He claimed that. Something's going on. There's a reason he distanced himself from this vehicle when we first come here. He disappeared. Now he wants to hang out by the road and say that he was not in this vehicle. So they're checking the cameras, which is going to put him in this vehicle. And if he comes back in this parking lot again, he's going to jail. Final warning. She decided that she was not going to go in handcuffs. Then, walking across the thing, she decided to hit me with her elbow, so she's going to be charged with that as well.
I know my rights, bro.
My nigga, how stupid are you when the police just told you we finna check the cameras at the car and your ass wanna yell from the driveway saying, I know my rights? Like he said, you finna know your rights. Right to jail, my nigga. He waiting for the employee to pull the footage. They gonna see this dumb ass nigga getting out the car, bro. Then they gonna take him to jail. I would've been left. The fuck? I would've been left. And lay low. We talked about that the other night. Would have lay low.
Make sure you stay on the roadway, because you come to this parking lot, you're going to jail. Alright, there's not a medical marijuana card in this wallet, or in this purse. I'm going to give him the opportunity, one last time, to claim this vehicle. Hey, last opportunity. Were you inside this vehicle? Yes or no? Yes, yes, no question, bud. Were you occupying this vehicle?
I understand what you're saying.
Were you occupying this vehicle? That's my only question. I'm not debating with you. I'm asking a yes or no question.
Hey, look how us black people be dodging questions. My nigga clear as day asks him the same question, but watch him give him a different answer to the same question every time. Here you go. Watch this.
Occupying this vehicle. That's my only question. I'm not debating with you. I'm asking a yes or no question.
Remain silent, bro. You're not telling me nothing.
You're not under arrest, so I mean,
I have the right to remain silent.
then you have the right to walk down the road. But that vehicle's about to be towed, so I'm giving you the opportunity because I'm taking everything in it. So either A, were you in the vehicle?
There's people pulling up.
Were you in the vehicle? Yes or no?
People coming to get their stuff out.
No, they're not coming to get it. I promise. Were you in the vehicle? Yes or no? Sounds good. Start walking. All right, let's search it. I'll be back up in a second.
My nigga had a different answer every time.
Okay. Explain what's going on. I'm gonna read something. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be against you in the court of law. You understand each of these rights? I've explained it to you. Okay. Those rights are mine. Do you want to speak with me? It's a yes or no question.